Hi everyone. In this lesson, we'll delve into the significance of comments in Java, how they enhance code readability, and the conventions for their use. In Java, comments do not have any functionality. Also, comments will not affect your actual code. There are two types of comments. The first one is a single line, and the second one is a multi-line comment. Let's go through each type. Single-line comments. These are comments that only extend to the end of the line. They are preceded by double forward slash. Single-line comments are useful for short explanations or clarifications about specific lines of code. Multi-line comments. These are comments that can span multiple lines. They are enclosed between /* and */. Multi-line comments are typically used for more extensive comments, explanations, or annotations that cover several lines of code. Now, let me show how we use those comments in real coding. In Eclipse, we have already created a Java project. Let's create a separate class for Java comments inside src file. Right-click on Package inside src file, then go to New, and select Class. I am going to give class name as Java Comments. Then, I am selecting a Main Methods checkbox. It will be created automatically. Deleting unnecessary argument, and leave some space between two brackets. Let's say I want to leave some notes for myself. This is opening bracket for main method. If I write directly like that, as you can see, there are some red underlines, so it gives me error. Since it is only one-line comment, I can use single-line comment. So, I am putting double forward slash at the beginning of my note. Let's do the same thing with closing bracket. Now, let's try to execute some codes to see if they are executable or not. I am going to use simply system.out.println to execute some texts. I want to execute hello world and write it with double quotations. When I execute the code by clicking on green button at the top, as you can see, hello world was printed at the console, and my note stayed visible only for me. Now, let's delete double forward slash here and try to execute again. As you can see, it gave an error and did not execute the code. So, it means we cannot leave a note randomly. We can also use single-line comments to comment out our code. Let's copy this and paste it to the new line and change hello world with Java. When we execute the code, we see hello world in Java at the console as expected. But how about I don't want to execute Java for now, and I also don't want to delete it because I might need it later. If I use double forward slash at the beginning of this code, my code will not be displayed on the console. Now, I am going to show multi-line comment. For this, it is better to create multi-line codes. We can basically copy this code and paste it to the next line. Let's do a few more. When we run this code as it is, we will see all these codes on the console, right? But let's say I don't want to print last three line. For this, I can use multi-line comment. Just need to write /* at the beginning of the code that I don't want to execute, and */ at the end of the code. And when I save and execute the code, last three code were not printed on the console. In the world of programming, comments play a vital role in making code more comprehensible and maintainable. As budding Java developers, understanding how to effectively use comments is a fundamental skill. Comments in Java are annotations within the code that are ignored by the compiler but provide valuable insights to programmers. They serve as notes, explanations, and reminders, making it easier for you and others to grasp the purpose and functionality of different parts of your code. Next session, we are going to delve into escape sequences. Thanks for watching.